What if I told you I know about a program that beginners are making their first 10K in less than 90 days? And they've tried all kinds of other programs that has failed. But this one program is the one that's actually helping them kill it. And the best part of it is 90% of it is actually done for you. You're gonna wanna hang around for this one because you're gonna love it. This program is so awesome and can help you so much that then you're gonna wanna turn around and be an affiliate for it, so then you can help others the same way that this program is gonna help you. But before I reveal this hidden program, let's get to the rest first. No, I am not talking about ClickBank, JVZoo, any of those programs that aren't high ticket. This is high ticket, and it's actually programs that can make you money, that really do work, and not that they just work, they help you in the process. Listen, I've done massive research out there for these programs that's the best ones for you as an affiliate marketer to promote. As an affiliate marketer, all you have to do is promote the product. And the key to affiliate marketing is promoting a good product. So I've done all the hard work up front for you. I want to jump to the very first one. This is actually number 5. It's called My Lead Gen Secret. And it's really cool, okay? It's not just to be an affiliate, but it helps you. It's kind of reminds me of like solo ads. When you first sign up, you get like 100 a day. But it's really, really easy once you start promoting it to go ahead and they'll double it and they'll give you 200 a day. I've had 200 a day forever. Now, I did pause my account because I didn't want to send emails because I was just tired of sending emails. I just needed a break. So I paused it for a while and I was still able, when I started back again, to keep the same amount. Then you simply have your subject, your email. You can do perfect timing. So you can only send one a day. You have a specific amount of time and then it sends it out. This is really good for like smaller offers. It's like make money online. But the very first thing that I do when someone signs up for it is I tell them to promote My Lead Gen Secret. If you look at the affiliates tab, it has several pages that you can promote. Now, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but it says you receive $5 a month on a personal membership. So you tell someone, hey, this is pretty cool. They sign up. Now, you only get $5 and you're thinking, Shelly, that's not high ticket. That is not a lot of money. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I made thousands of dollars in this. I just started it again, but I did so good on this, and I can show you how you can see other people that's done it good as well. So what's really neat, that's why this is so different, is you have level 1, and then the person that you sign up signs someone else up, and then you get $4. And then that person signs someone else up, then you get $3. And then it just, you make so much money. I was making thousands, which was kind of stupid for me to stop. What made it even cooler is they provide the emails for you. And what I would do is I went in there and I kind of would tweak them a little bit and see how they are right here. You copy and paste them the exact same, and then you can send them. And what I did is I made a more long sentence. This is really cool, and you can make a lot of money from it. Now, the group, My Lead Gen Secrets on Facebook, I would say it's probably the #1 group that's free on Facebook, period. And the reason why I say that is because everybody that's on there will give more free emails, and they help each other out. And they'll be like, oh, I promote My Lead Gen Secrets and I'm making, they tell you everything you're making. There was people banking. I saw 50K, 60K. I saw all kinds of stuff. So this can really work for you, and you can promote it all at the same time. And not a lot of people know about it, so I wanted to let you know. All these links, some are affiliate links, some aren't. Well, I'll go ahead and I'll put them down in the description. Now, number 4 is CommerceHQ. Now, I wanted to tell you about this one because, again, not a lot of people know about it. It's an e-commerce platform that you can promote. Now, you've probably heard of Shopify, which you can promote it as well. I'm an affiliate for it, but a lot of people don't know about CommerceHQ. Honestly, I used to do e-commerce, and if I was going to choose a platform, I would choose CommerceHQ, because people don't realize is Shopify has all of these separate things that you have to pay for, and you end up paying for a whole lot more than you would with CommerceHQ because all of it's built in, and they provide, like when you need specific products, they look up, they show you what's selling. CommerceHQ is amazing, and not a lot of people know about it. So I love to promote CommerceHQ and tell them about it. And I'm like, this is better than Shopify, so you can help save them money, and you get 30%, guys, off of $100. Say that they just want to do the $100 a month for their store, or the $2.99 for 6 stores. And I don't see it on here, but you can also pay, which is what I did, a huge lump sum for that whole entire year. And it's a really good price. I tried to find it and I can't find it. But this is reoccurring. This is reoccurring revenue. So, and it's 30%. So 30% off of $100, and that's just one person. So imagine all of the people, if you're gonna promote this, and say you're talking about e-commerce, you can do a TikTok, a YouTube video, and talk about e-commerce and show them, you know, what CommerceHQ can do for them. And they're stupid not to choose anything else. Number 3 is Jasper. They recently changed the name, but everybody needs content. So if someone does blogs, Facebook posts, I've used this for doing YouTube descriptions, and it's really cool. The starter plan is $50 a month. The boss is $100 a month, and then you have the business. Now, I think this is the one that I did. This in here is $100 a month, and you get a lot for it. And because once you do the blogs, people will be like, I like it, and they want to do more, but you can only, on the starter plan, you can only do so much. So most people, on average, is going to do the boss plan, which again, $100 a month. They're gonna need to keep using it, because once they use the software and they realize how it's gonna make their life easier and get the content for them, and it'll write it for you. Like, you can start off and I'll talk about, say I'm doing a video on affiliate marketing and 5 awesome programs that's unique. Then I say that at the very beginning, and the bot will literally write everything else for me. And I've tried several of these, and this is by far the best. So if someone was interested, even you were interested, kind of like I was talking about the other one with my lead gen secrets, you could use this and promote it at the same time. It's really, really helpful, especially for people like me that don't like to write. Now, you're probably wondering how much this is. Now, I don't promote anything that is below 30%. So this in here is 30%. But since it's reoccurring, I mean, that's reoccurring money that's going to come in. Bank, hey, are you liking this? Do me a favor, if y'all are learning anything from this, give me a like. Number 2 is Legendary Marketer. Now, I only promote stuff I use. So I love Legendary Marketer because not only did it help me, and I learned a lot of stuff from it, but it's helped so many people. And honestly, the majority of people that I have helped make 6 figures, I had them all start with this program. And I'll tell you why. For anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin, because if you're a beginner and you're lost, it's great. This is David Sharp. He is amazing. He starts off, it's a 15-day online business builder challenge. He has other things he promotes. He has, like, you can do, and you can promote this for $1 and then get the 15-day online business builder challenge. But why I like this is because you get 15 days of all of this learning. So that's why I love David Sharp. He is an awesome mentor, and it's $7. And then with that $7, you know, you get tons of bonuses. I mean, people think that I don't ever talk about the bonuses because most people don't believe you. They're like, oh, yeah, right. It's too good to be true. They get Facebook ad templates, email template, high ticket video script, phone scripts. This is copy of my converting affiliate marketing funnel. So you get the funnel. You have to have a funnel. So I really like this, and I've promoted this as my main product for years because people, it's, you know, if they don't have a lot of money, then they can come in for $7. Okay, now that you know a little bit about the program, now this is in the 15-day challenge. That's what the main thing that they want everybody to go through is their core program. They offer business blueprints, and it's like $2,500. And they also offer, like, as soon as you pay your $7 for the challenge, then they have a bunch of upsells that can help you too, from copywriting to all kinds of stuff that you can get a percentage. And it's a really good percentage, anywhere between 30 and 60%. So you have several different chances to make money. And at the same time, everybody that's buying the stuff is getting something useful that's going to help them. So it's a win-win situation. And so on day 6 in the Business Builder Challenge, they have an opportunity to buy the business blueprints, which is a really good deal, and it's $2,500. So then you get that percentage. It's like $1,000. So that makes it really cool for an affiliate because you get to make money, and it's actually teaching people what they need to know that help them make money as well. Now, not everybody wants to promote Legendary Marketer. Other cool thing is you get a coach. So they're going to be able to have a coach for free. And when I had my coach, I asked all kinds of questions and had everything laid out, and they were amazing. And the coach does not sell people, but while they're talking to them, they'll be like, hey, were you interested in the blueprints? Because it's something that's really going to help them. So you have someone that has a coach. You know, you get a coach, you get to go through the challenge, you get all kinds of people to help you. So that's why I really like this, and it makes it amazing to promote. And number 1, what you've been waiting for, drum roll please, MCS. Well, it's here. Millionaires Challenge System. This is I would say the #1 affiliate marketing system program that you actually want to get into. It's not a course. It's more than a course. It has a course, but it's mostly a coaching program because there's a lot of courses out there, but you don't get training and you don't get coached. In this program, you have the training, you have the course. They have twice a week Q&A and questions, and then you can send in emails. You can go in on the group. There's a couple different groups you can go into. They have, up here is one of the Facebook groups. There are weekly coaching programs. It's so amazing. And I have been doing this for over 4 years, but I have never seen anything like this. Just the mindset part alone blew me away, okay? And that's just talking about mindset. That's the part that usually bores people. Not only that, but I have never seen so many people doing so well. I made like 4K in weeks just from starting it, doing exactly what he says. So you go in the program, I mean, you have to sign something, that's like, you can't tell anybody the secrets, and you can't because it's that good, and it's helping so many people be successful. So I'm like, anyone that I talk to, I'm like, okay, you're stupid if you don't do this. My marketing friends that I trust are the ones that told me, and I didn't even know anything about it. I'm like, okay, I'm in. And so that's what made me get in this program. But what is honestly so cool about it is it helps people. There's more success rate with this program than any other affiliate marketing program that I have ever seen. So not only, I love this. I love a win-win. So not only are you getting something that you're able to learn to make real money with, but you're able to help others too. And then you turn around, if you're going to promote it, because it's amazing. It's an amazing program. Why wouldn't you? So when I first got in it, it wasn't really, okay, I'll promote it if it's good, not that big of a deal. But then once I started learning so much, I'm like, I have to tell the world about it. So then you get, a certain percentage off of there's like different levels. You have to have a call. And so that's why I said 90% of it is done for you, because they do all of the calls. If you're going to make any money that's high ticket, you have to have someone on the phone. You have to talk to them. A lot of people aren't going to buy something if they want to talk to someone. They want that human connection. And I get it. I do too. And then you get on the call. You can ask any questions that you want. But then, tons of people's like, well, how much is it? I'm like, well, it depends on your needs. Because like I said, if you're a beginner, they have everything done for you. It's like from the funnels, they do all the calls, you have to have like autoresponders and funnels to do marketing with affiliate marketing. And they do it all for you. They connect it all for you. They even input all of oh my gosh, it's all done for you. So you don't have nothing to worry about. And everybody stresses out about this. And so that's another reason I like this program, because it takes time for me as an affiliate, because I want to help people. I want to show them how to do it. But this way I don't have to. I tell them and lead them to a good program that's going to have everything done for them. It's going to teach them what they exactly need to know. So then I'm able to be their coach, and I have a partner in this. So anyone that kind of signs up underneath us, we coach them. So Zach, who is amazing, his name is Zach Crawford. This is just one group. So if you click the link in my bio, it can take you to a training and take you into this group. And this is Zach right here. And see, this is the award. He does all kinds of different awards. And you know what? He doesn't want you just to promote his program. He wants you to use his program, and you can promote others, and you still get awards for promoting other people's programs. He's that confident. So why would you not promote it? And you get great money, because this is something that you want to promote as an affiliate, because it's a good program that works, and you get high ticket percentages, because it's not cheap. If you really want to succeed in affiliate marketing, you're going to have to invest in yourself, unless you want to take years. I spent the first year and I made zero. It's true. But see, these are some of the awards. This is my friend Nathan. There's all kinds of success stories. This is my friend Daniel. So I can get you in this. There's free training in this group. So when you click the link in the bio, it has training, and it can get you in the group to have other training and stuff too. And then it can also let you know if you want to be an affiliate for it. Because if I were you, I would. But I love this program. I've learned so much from it. It's amazing. Why would I not tell you about it? and not a whole lot of people know about it. So that's why this is my #1 thing to promote. So I'll go ahead and I'll have the links down below. So if you want to check any of these out for you to promote yourself, or you want to do, or to help make money, or tell your friend. If you like this video, share it with a friend. All right, friends, I hope you like this video. I hope you got something out of it. You shared it with all your friends. Now I'm going to put another video up here, $500 or more, fail-proof method, 30 days or less. And if you like my kind of content, then subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? I'll see you in that next video because I'm in it. Okay?